अस्सलामुअलैकुम एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है एवरीडे साइंस। तो आज अगेन एवरीडे साइंस के हवाले से बहुत सारे एमसीक्यूज मैं आपके साथ शेयर करूंगी। तो गाइस आप लोगों ने वीडियो को एंड तक ज़रूर देखना है। इफ़ यू हैव कैरीज देन विच डॉक्टर डू यू कंसल्ट? डेंटिस्ट। इन आई डोनेशन विच पार्ट ऑफ द आई इज यूज्ड? कॉर्निया। हाउ मेनी मून्स डज नेपट्यून हैव? 13. What is the rarest blood type in humans? AB negative. Which is the hottest planet in our solar system? Venus. For water purification, we use chlorine. Which of the following regulates the metabolism of sugar? Insulin. Who created the periodic table? Mendeleev. Who invented logarithm tables? John Napier. In which part of the plant does photosynthesis take place? Leaves. The luster of the diamond is due to total internal reflection. The type of glass used in making lenses and prisms is flint glass. EEG records the activity of brain. Earthquakes occur most frequently at plate boundaries. What is anthracite? Hard coal. Dead red blood corpuscles are stored in spleen. Granite is a igneous rock. Which animal has no vocal cords? Giraffe. Biopsy is done on tissues taken from living body. The planet which revolves slowly around the sun is Neptune. Animals use nitrogen in the form of nitrates. Who is known as the father of taxonomy? Carolus Linnaeus. Who discovered blood circulation? William Harvey. Disease which transferred from animal to human is zoonosis. What is the molecular formula for ammonia? NH3. Mostly which gases found off the planet Jupiter? Hydrogen and helium. Chemical formula for water is H2O. Atom was a name given by Democritus. The tree sends down roots from its branches to the soil is known as banyan. Carbon dioxide was discovered by Joseph Blake. Inflammation of liver is caused by hepatitis. Human eye is how many megapixels? 576 MP. When sugar is added to water, its boiling point increases. The SI unit of charge is coulomb. The average adult has a blood volume of about deciliters. 5. The planet that moves around the sun at the highest speed is Mercury. Parsec is a unit of distance. The chemical name of quartz is silicon dioxide. It is a secondary plant nutrient. Sulfur. Dash are negatively charged particles of an atom. Electrons. So thank you so much guys. तो वीडियो को एंड में लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा। तो अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।